Let's take a look at this tour today. It's a beautiful home here in St. Cloud, Florida. You see the entryway. Right off to the left, there were 2 rooms, and this is the first room, and a look at this closet with double sliding doors. In that same front hallway, we have a bathroom where they can share. There's 2 rooms in the front. So in between those 2 rooms is this bathroom. There goes the closet, linen closet. And then there's the second bedroom in the front with a peak. Here in this side hallway, we have a laundry room, very ample in space. And then at the end of that mini hallway is another room that's bedroom 3. And there's a look at the closet space there as well. As you come back through this hallway, we're gonna see the main area, which is a beautiful entertaining space. It's living, dining, and to the right, you'll see kitchen with a very nice size island. The island has 3 chairs, but you could fit comfortably 4. Here's another peek. Lots of cabinetry you'll see here, and there's a lot of space. I'll point that out in a second, but the refrigerator here has a nice built-in into the wall, so it can recess into the wall. But what I was gonna say earlier, here's a look at the pantry, is that you can see the space between that island and the kitchen cabinets. There's a lot of room to roam. Here's another vista point from the dining area, just overlooking that entire living space. And with this floor plan, sometimes you have to pay extra for a lanai. This one actually has a nice built-in porch built into the floor plan. As you're going to the master bedroom, there is a coat closet here that I'm showing you, pretty standard. And you're gonna see as we enter into the master bedroom, it is a large space. It's very large, very spacious. Here to the right, we have the master bathroom, and here we're gonna open up that linen closet so you can see on the inside. Here is the master bedroom closet. It is huge. I'm standing inside of it right now, and you can just pan around and see all of the space. And then here's another viewpoint for that master bedroom. You see that there's a lot of space where you can put sitting chairs for a sitting area and all that. One last view of the main area, and then we're gonna walk you out. This hallway is very wide and spacious. So I hope you like that tour. It's a beautiful community in St. Cloud. Go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and bell notification icon for more content.